Hey guys, it's Finley from Food Court. Today we're at Platz Family Farm here in Union, Oregon. Let's go check it out. Hey Central, I want you to meet Becky and Sam.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Today they're going to show us around their farm.
My name is Becky Platz, and my husband is Joe, and unfortunately he's not here, but he's about this tall. And we've actually lived here about 12 years, as long as Sam has been born. But we've actually been farming this big part about 8 years. We started with a little small section over there for just a couple years, and it seemed to go well, so we just expanded. We grow, I tried to count them up, and it's somewhere between 40 and 50 different things on this little 4.5 acre piece, so things have to be in pretty tight. And we kind of start with asparagus and salad ingredients in the spring, and then we move into strawberries and raspberries and black caps and blackberries, and then we come into all this kind of stuff: cucumbers, beans, tomatoes, corn, sugar snap peas. But I think we're kind of known for asparagus now and the berries, and we now are getting known for the fruit because our fruit trees are just now kind of getting to the mature place of about 3 or 4 years. So that's probably what we're known for. I like to eat things like fresh while we're picking, or right when we bring them in. I would say probably the fruits are probably my favorite. I'm pretty big into raspberries. I really like those, and we have a variety that's really big and sweet, and it's called the Tulamine. It's one of my favorites. It takes a lot of people to make it happen. And so my husband is truly the farmer. This is his passion. And he actually works for the Forest Service full time and then does this on the side, believe it or not. But our whole family has to work together, and not just our family can do it. We have to hire kids, and we were thankful this guy came today and picked this whole big bucket of beans. But we hire a lot of local kids every summer to come and pick for us. And it's not just always kids, but they're the most available. And so it's usually people right here in Union. Sam and I are going to take you in and show you the winter squash. It's fall, and so we're down to the last of our crops for the season. And winter squash, is a really big one. So it's kind of like a treasure hunt. You get to go and find whatever squash are in here. So Sam, what's one you have right there?
This is a sweet meat.
Okay, so can you hold it up for us? So it looks kind of like a big pumpkin, but it's a light green color, and it's a super sweet kind of a squash that you can use for soup or bread, or just to chop it up and roast it. It's just a really multi-purpose squash. And there's a butternut squash, and here's some delicatas.
That's what I thought that was.
People really like these, all cut into little circles like that, and they bake them, and ooh, it's so good. There's a buttercup. Have you seen cootie cuties? So these are, they stay small, and it takes them about 17 months to get to the size, but they won't, it's not like they're going to get really big like the other pigs do, but they actually will eat grass, and so that's one of the reasons we wanted them, was because we don't want pigs that are rooting up all the time. So we thought, well, let's just try this. So these are new for us. We just got them in April. Kind of have to get into the jungle and pick away. And then we'll let there. We wanted to show you this part because we grow lots of fruit. So we have a lot of berries. We have blackberries, which are right here, and raspberries and strawberries. And then we have a fruit orchard over there. Right now, in this season, are the plums. And so here we have all these wonderful plums, and they're a really old, delicious variety, and a lot of people that have been here a long time call them prunes. So they're easy to pick. Want to get some to Finley? But they are very easy to pick. You just pull those things right out.
Yeah.
And they dry really well. They make great sauce. A lot of people just come and they'll make plum cake. They'll just sit around and eat a whole bunch of them. They're just a really great plum. Love it because then they can eat any extra food that's left. So when the plums are dropping, they get to eat all of that, and it's wonderful. And then fall comes, and we put them in there, and they get to eat all the stuff left over out of the greenhouse.
Blackberries. how do you like to eat your green beans?
Okay. Well, first I'll tell you the thing that I like about these green beans are they are called the Blue Lake Stringless. When you break them, they don't have a string on them. So that's really nice when you're eating them.
Huh.
And to be honest, we eat them right while we pick them. Do you want to try one?
I sure do.
They're really yummy.
Thank you.
They are. So we eat them raw while we're standing here picking. My husband likes them cooked with bacon. I like to stir fry them or put them in salads. A lot of people like to can them, so they have them for the winter, or they'll make them into dilly beans. So you'll put in dill and garlic, and then they're kind of pickled. So there's lots of ways to eat green beans.
You want to tell us about your beets, Sam?
We've grown a lot of them this year because a lot of people like to pickle them and eat them. We like them best boiled, and then boiled you can put butter or other things on them, but they're a lot softer and you can bite into them like an apple that way.
Yeah. Or you can cut them up with potatoes and carrots and roast them. Or you could, a lot of people like to just grate them and put them on the top of a salad. It's been very fun.
These are asparagus stalks. Normally they're like small, like you will see in the store, but after they're done producing good, we'll let them grow so they have seed for the next year. So they get over 5 feet, and some can get up to 6 feet, and then they'll have little yellow seeds that will help for the next year.
And then we cut it off, or we don't want it to get taller than that. And you cut right at the ground level, or just slightly under the ground, and it'll get about to there.
Well, thanks for showing us around, Becky. That was really fun. And I want to ask, where can people find your food if they want to buy some of your produce?
Well, in the past, we've always been at the farmer's market, but we now have a little farm stand right here at our house, so you can drive right over here. And we're in Union, so I hope you can come see us.
Thanks for coming, guys. This is another virtual farm tour here in Union County. Thank you so much, Becky. We'll see you soon.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you bet.
Hi guys, this is Jamie from OSU Extension. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit shake using the blackberries we found at the farm. Remember to always wash your hands before cooking. Use a clean paper towel to dry your hands. This is a very easy recipe for a great healthy snack. All you need is 2 cups of any kind of fruit you want. In this case, we're going to use blackberries from the farm. You're going to place those into your blender. Then we're going to add 1 cup of low-fat vanilla yogurt. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of cold water. We wanna make sure we get the lid on tight. If your snaps down, make sure it's snapped down. Make sure it's on there good. Place your blender on the motor, and then we're gonna blend it. Then all you have to do is pour it into your cup. Looks so good, and what a pretty color. That's delicious. What a healthy snack. This would make a great breakfast if you paired it with a piece of whole wheat toast, or it would also make a great snack in the afternoon to get your fruit in for the day. Enjoy!